In our pursuit of efficiency and convenience, the tools we choose for our homes and vehicles often dictate the ease of our daily routines. Today, we're looking at a device that gracefully consolidates several essential functions into one, a true multi-tool for the modern individual. This isn't merely a powerful air blower, it's a 4-in-1 system designed to be a silent guardian for your car and an unexpected workhorse around your home. It's for those who appreciate preparedness, whether it's ensuring a spotless car finish, clearing autumn leaves, or having a reliable safety net for unexpected roadside events. Imagine a single, elegantly designed unit that serves as a high-performance car dryer, a robust leaf and snow blower, a 2000-AMP jump starter, and a versatile 15,000 mAh power bank, complete with an integrated LED flashlight. It's a compelling proposition for simplifying your toolkit. Let's delve into what makes this particular unit so compelling. At its core, the turbojet blower is equipped with a high-speed motor, capable of reaching an impressive 100,000 revolutions per minute. What this translates to, in practical terms, is not just raw power, but remarkable precision and efficiency. You're not simply pushing air, you're directing a focused, invisible wave that effortlessly clears moisture from your vehicle after a wash, preventing those stubborn water spots that detract from a pristine finish. The two wind speed adjustment modes, including 3 preset speeds and a stepless trigger controller, allow you to tailor the force precisely, whether you're performing delicate auto detailing or tackling more demanding tasks, like swiftly clearing snow from your windscreen or blowing away stubborn wet leaves from your patio. This level of control ensures a seamless experience across varied applications. Beyond its impressive blowing capabilities, this device truly elevates peace of mind, transforming into an invaluable outdoor companion. The integrated 2002 amps, a jump starter, means you can confidently revive dead 6-liter gas or 4-liter diesel engines, a crucial feature for anyone who spends time on the road or simply wants to avoid the stress of a flat battery. Furthermore, the substantial 15,000 mAh power bank ensures your essential electronic devices, your phone, your tablet, remain charged, especially when you're far from a power outlet. This makes it an ideal workhorse for camping trips or unexpected roadside stops. Couple this with the multi-mode LED flashlight offering steady, strobe, and SOS functions, and you have a solid build that's prepared for almost any scenario. An advanced motor protection chip and patented multi-layer battery safeguard board also ensure robust protection against thermal runaway and voltage spikes, offering reliability that truly secures your investment. Ultimately, this 4-in-1 car dryer and multi-tool represents a thoughtful approach to practical preparedness. It's a robust solution for a range of maintenance and emergency needs, offering substantial bang for the buck by combining the functionality of several standalone gadgets into one well-engineered package. The convenience of having your car drying solution, an emergency jump starter, a portable power source, and a reliable flashlight all in one compact unit is undeniable. It streamlines your routine, reduces clutter, and ensures you're ready for unexpected moments. In the world of technology, prices and availability are often dynamic. If this versatile tool aligns with your needs for efficiency and peace of mind, it may be worthwhile to verify its current offering. I put the link below so you can check the current price.